Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys this hair wrap tutorial. I love it because it's very beginner friendly. I myself am just getting into the head wrap life and want to show you guys exactly what I did to create this look so you can create it at home. So stay tuned to see the full transformation. So as you can see here, I'm actually doing this style on twists. So I actually have many twists in my hair and they're reaching the tail end of it and wasn't quite ready to wash them out yet, but then want to hop on a video call, so still want to look cute. So what I've decided to do is actually put my hair up. I'm using an elastic rubber band here and I'm actually just putting all the mini twists up to the middle of my head here. And I actually took the sock and I'm going to place it right on top of my head. So you can actually pin it if you prefer, that way you can lock it down. Like I said, I'm new to this wrap life, so I didn't pin it down, but in hindsight, I would recommend pinning it down with bobby pins just to secure it. So I'm tying a knot right in front, and I'm actually just going to lock it in there. And as you can see, the sock itself has moved a little bit. That's why I do recommend pinning it down. So then I'm taking the end piece of the actual scarf itself, then I'm wrapping it around the actual sock. So as you can see, the whole purpose of the sock is actually to create that shape. So I'm just going to continue to twist it around like so, making sure that it's wrapping and interlocking into itself. So now I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side, and I'm just going the opposite way. So I'm twisting it and then wrapping around the sock itself, still trying to maintain that shape. To continue to twist, twist, twist. And as you can see, it's kind of unraveling as you get towards the end, so I'm twisting a little bit more to keep that shape. And like I said, y'all, I am new to the wrap life, so I was trying to figure this out and make sure that it's going to stay secured as possible. And I want to share it with you guys too, because it was not easy for me the very first time either. So don't expect the very first time for you to be easy either. So just keep pushing it through. It'll let you secure it, and look at it. Look at it. Look at the dang on head wraps on top of my head, babe. So I just popped those ears out, checking to make sure that it's all secure. And now I'm going to lay these edges down, baby. So doing a little whoop to whoop on my curls, a little toot toot. I'm taking my edge brush here and just doing a little baby swoop, just something gentle. And here is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this beginner friendly tutorial of this hair wrap. If you did like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to come check me out on my social media platforms at 2BRuby on all of them. And I've linked it below as well. But until next time, thank you for watching. Bye, my gems.